I'ma head out then.
Yeah, it is.
Come on in.
Yeah, it is different.
I gotta give you the business.
Oh, yes.
I mean, you probably heard so many loud cars today. This is nothing.
I haven't had a lot of loud cars, but I have heard trucks, you know.
Yeah, this ain't nothing like that.
It's real punchy.
This one's a little less punchy. It ain't the loudest out here, but it's okay.
Hey man, it's probably one of the loudest cars, you know. Everybody else got a truck full, you know, a big old speaker.
SUV.
Yeah, SUVs is a lot different, you know.
Oh yeah.
This thing is punchy right here.
It just hits a little different in a car.
Yeah, it does. And you got it looking good too.
Thank you.
Yeah, I told somebody it's hard to make it look good and have as much as you got in it, you know. So yeah, definitely. Where can they? What do you got in here? Let them know what you got.
All right, so I've got a Singer 290 amp alternator up front, feeding a Kenwood KDC X998 head unit. I have 3 Sundown SFB 500.4s that are pushing 16 Crossfire 6.5s and 8 Crossfire 1-inch super tweeters. And then in the trunk, I've got a 2 Salt 8Ks powered by 190 amp lithium bank, pushing 4 Sundown NSV 412s.
A whole lot in there, y'all.
2 to about 35 hertz.
Man, she got a lot in here. Where can I find you at? On social media?
You can look up Elainea Jobes, Jobes.
Okay.
That's about it, really. I'm on Facebook too.
Okay. I'm gonna be sure to tag it down in the video below. Y'all know I'm gonna share the video and y'all better check it out next time. Appreciate it.
Thanks for getting the demo.
Yes, ma'am. Ooh, boy.
A little better than last time?
It is. Did you have these doors or you got them changed up too?
No, I think those are changed up now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They look good.
It's way louder.
Ooh. That's nice work right there. Oh man. It was good seeing you.
Good seeing you.
Yes, ma'am. You got a picture there?
Thank you.
Thank you.
You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still
Subscribe
rolling.
to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Alright, y'all appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.